But I will say, if I was in a coffee shop right now, this feels like I just got my coffee and my biscotti. And I am just starting to dip my biscotti into my coffee and get it soaked up and have the first bite. And so far I'm pretty ecstatic and pretty happy because the first bite is pretty good. And everyone loves when they get that first bit of that hard biscotti bread soaked in the coffee, the cafe. I definitely will say this car feels narrow. Got the large scoops on it, help make it a little more fun. Now this Corvette does have T-tops. Honestly, it's pretty. I'm enjoying driving this. This is pretty fun at the moment. Give it a little gas. Yeah, she's got a little pull to her. Nothing crazy. We'll have to go into a lower gear. I'm already probably in third, and I'm guessing that this is probably a 3-speed in it. Probably a turbo 350 would be my guess on that. Feel the power. So I'm definitely going to say this car, in comparison to my Camaro, it definitely lacks in the power department. It gets up and goes, which is certainly fun. It's got a little movement to it. But this car is definitely totally, you can tell, is a cruiser. You're not gonna get in this car, especially a stock one, to go pedal to the metal with this baby. But if you want a cruiser, man, and something that looks good, definitely I've been turning some people's heads as I just go around the block in it. It certainly is a nice looking car. It certainly is really fun. I'm gonna say it's got 5 years of sitting around. She really drives pretty good. It's kind of what I would expect. The car's been sitting for 5 years, and in that 5 years it's had about 3 miles driven on it, and now I've finally driven it just a tad more than that. But I certainly gotta say, going back to my cafe reference, if I'm sitting there, my biscotti, I might have left the biscotti in too long, and that wonderful soaking up bit that you would get from this, that holds the biscotti in place. I think the biscotti might be starting to break down and swim around the cafe, and I am now wondering, how am I going to get my biscotti out of the cafe? How? But you know what? It's fun. This is a fun car. I'm still going to enjoy the biscotti. It's just going to be soaked. It's just not going to have that same crunch appeal to it. And that's okay. That's perfectly okay. Well, I can say I have now pulled my biscotti out. I have eaten it. And now I am ready to finish my cafe, because this drive is just about over. I will say big thanks to cousin Gary. Oh, we got a little boy. He likes it, and that's what it's all about. Having fun and sharing the experience. Always makes my day when I see a little boy or a little girl excited to see an old car going down. It also makes my day when they get to sit in one. That's always a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed that video, please hit that like button. Also, don't be afraid to leave a comment in the comment section down below, and subscribe. That way you can get the next video as soon as it comes out.